You know what our position is on this? What we've said time and time again is the case. There are people who come to us as representatives for recommendations for all sorts of things. In fact, if you don't remind people, they will want you to recommend them to get a visa from the US government. That's the kind of thing that happens. Every little thing, it's the way our society is set up. And especially when there is a process that is connected to the government directly, people want your assistance. So people come and they've asked, and colleagues have said that they have made such recommendations where they saw it fit. It is not a practice that I have done. I don't think that I have sent any recommendations. But that is just that is just my choice. That is just how I operate.
And if you have filled out, the Prime Minister said it himself, 10 applications, all right, or 10 recommendations, but you're going to 20, you're going to 30, you're going to 40. It is suggestive that there is an enterprise.
And if that is the case, then investigations need to happen in that regard. And if that is found to be the case, then that is what needs to happen. I have no difficulty with that.
Is this not an indictment by the United States that there have been corrupt practices in the government that you are the Deputy Prime Minister of, insofar as when it happened to Max Samuels, way back in the early 2000s, 2003 thereabouts, the UDP was the first to jump on it and say, see there, Uncle Sam has said that the PUP is corrupt, and they pull Max Samuel's visa sake of that.
It is very crafty of you, but you've asked me, and I've said I cannot determine. I have no evidence to say that what you're purporting to be the case is the case. The U.S. government has sent no documentation or asked for any kind of sit down with anybody in our government to say, this is why we've cancelled the visas of Minister Castro, his tourist visa and his diplomatic visa. No, it cannot be. There might be a number of reasons why.
He took a lady to trial and she testified under oath in court, and he lost the case. She testified that he took money.
That may well be the case, but it is not documented. It is not written in stone that that is what the U.S. government is accusing him of.